there, my name is Dr. Deb Davies and I'm here to talk about Moxa Sacral Fan. This is a tool that we can use to help naturally promote labor. Many women are concerned about avoiding inductions and finding natural ways to naturally promote their labor. So this is what I recommend. It's a moxibustion is mugwort, Artemisia vulgaris. It's grown wild here in California. You want to find a smokeless version, and this version I feel is superior because it has a hole. When you look down the middle of it, you will see there is actually a hole. I don't know if you can see that, but there is a hole down the center, and that helps it light and stay lit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find her sacrum. So the sacral area is that V-shaped bone down by her bum. What I had learned and was told by my mentor, who's an acupuncturist, midwife, and naturopath from New Zealand, was that you do this Moxa Sacral Fan. So you think about the sacrum as 5 fingers and you're covering her sacrum. So these are the borders, this is her spine, and everywhere in the middle. So you want to warm it up with this Moxa. So I'm getting about an inch away, and we can do lines. You can do little circles. It's very good to feel the area, and anything that's cold, you want to warm. Now, what I was told to do this 30 days prior to birth, every single day, 1 to 3 minutes. And here in the US, it's not common for people to come into acupuncture every day. And so what I would do is do about 10 or 15 minutes once a week or twice a week when they would come in, and it helps them have shorter labors. So it is very easy to use. It feels absolutely amazing. And this is something you could do if you had low back pain, if you had low sex drive. You could do this for infertility, especially if there's coldness in your body. So I'm just kind of feeling along, seeing where there's cold, and she doesn't have a lot of cold. But because she is a couple days past her due date, I'm going to spend maybe 10 minutes doing this today. So this is Moxa Sacral Fan. It's really easy. My biggest tip would be don't burn her. So not with the TV on, not with the dog around, not with little ones around. It's something all eyes on her so that you do not burn her. This piece could, it is on fire and it could definitely burn. I use uncooked rice as my ashtray, and I just kind of roll it around into that uncooked rice. And you don't want to tap it like a cigarette, because the ash does become long. If you do this for 20 minutes, it looks like a pencil point, and we don't want it to fall off on her or anyone. So this is Moxa Sacral Fan. It's basically looks like a fan. You can go up, down, side to side, circles, whatever works, back and forth. It's just this whole sacrum area you really want to get nice and warm, and it helps prepare the uterus, the mom's body, for labor. And they have shorter, easier labors. I was told this by my mentor, that they have births of 20 minutes in New Zealand, and I didn't believe her. So I had a pregnant intern and worked on her 15 minutes once a week for a couple weeks. She wound up with a natural birth and gave birth in 40 minutes when she walked into the birth center. So I really believe in this. I've seen story after story, and this is something you could do to really help your mama avoid an induction, be all prepared for her labor. That's it.